Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like Instagram story. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Instagram and then you have to look into your account. And then if you want to like someone's Instagram story, you just have to choose the story that you want to like. And then I'll go with this story. Just click on the story. And then if you want to like it, you just have to tap this this heart icon. Okay, tap it. And then if you want to unlike the story or you want to undo, you just have to tap it again like this. Okay, and let's practice it one more time. And I'm going to like the story and just tap on this heart icon. All right, just click it. Okay. Alright guys, that's how we can like Instagram story. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye.